Now we are hello children. Hope you are all doing well. Previous class already we have done classification of the alcohol, and today we are doing nomenclature of the alcohols. Now nomenclature of the alcohols, mainly we will show you the IUPAC name, but few common name also we have to know, because in the question paper they give some equations on the basis of the common name. So few common names I will tell, and after that the IUPAC name. So what is the way of doing this? Means first thing, monohydric alcohol generally we are telling. First of all, monohydric alcohol's nomenclature. Monohydric alcohol. Now, monohydric alcohol nomenclature is what? Firstly, one of the example is CH3CH2OH. What is the common name? We tell it as the alkyl alcohol. We are telling alkyl plus alcohol. This is the common name. This is common name. And what is the IUPAC name? That also we will learn. The alkyl alcohol, what is the name of this compound then? The alkyl group is ethyl here, so the common name will be ethyl. And then for the OH group we are telling alcohol. This is the common name. IUPAC name, how many number of carbons are there? On the basis of that we are always writing the root words, that is eth. First of all we will write the eth. Eth is the root words here, and after that we will add this in. What is this? Means the if the carbon contains the single bond, then we always add n. Now e we are not adding e. We will omit e, and then simply we will add ol all for this functional group OH. Am I clear? So O is starting with the, this is O is vowel actually, that's why before O this E, ethane, last E is omitted. So this is the IUPAC name of this compound. Another one example is what? Suppose I am writing it here, CH3 CH3 single bond OH. How many number of carbons are there? 3 carbon, means it is always propyl, so we will write propyl alcohol. But before that, it is not a simple or normal propyl alcohol, it is a branched one, and the group, this carbon is having two similar group. Iso means similar, so we are writing here isopropyl alcohol, the common name of this compound, very important, remember. And another one is what? The IUPAC name. Then what is the IUPAC name? We will write this carbon which contains the functional group OH is named the nearest number we will have to give. So if it is the carbon number 1, then it is carbon number 2, it is carbon number 3, and second carbon contains the functional group OH, so it will be first of all propane, then last T we will not write. Then what is the position of the functional group? Second carbon contains the functional group, so we will mention that position, propane 2, then all. Am I clear? So it is propane 2 all. And next, suppose I am telling you this compound. What will be this compound? CH3 CH, similarly again CH3, then CH2OH. The common name will be what then? This is isopropyl group C, but this is the compound contain 1 2 3 4 carbons, so it will be isobutyl alcohol. This is the common name, isobutyl alcohol. But what is the IUPAC name? See, the carbon which contains the OH functional group, we will try to give the list number to this carbon. So if we count it from this carbon, suppose 1 2 3, or if it is 1 2 3, then it will be having the maximum number. So let us count from this carbon 1 2 3. So this carbon is getting the list number because it is containing the functional group, and in the second position methyl is there. So what will be the name? It will be 2-methyl. 2 after that please give dash 2-methyl. Numerical and word is differentiated by what, 1 dash, ठीक है, 2 methyl, then what is this, 2 methyl, 1 2 3, this is propane, so this is propane, and after that E we will not write, then 1 all, in the 1 position oxygen all is there, so 2 methyl propane 1 all, this is the IUPAC name of this compound. Similarly you can write it, what is this compound, CH3C, CH3, CH3OH, the common name is tertiary butyl alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol, this is the common name. What is the IUPAC name of this compound then? The IUPAC name of this compound will be, from this compound, suppose from this carbon 1 2 3, if we are giving this number, then in the second position functional group is there, and in the second position 1 methyl is also there as a chain, so it will be 2 methyl propane, together write no gap, okay, 2 methyl propane, no E, then 2 all, second position OH is there, that's why propane 2 all, this is the IUPAC name of this compound. So these are all monohydric alcohol, which is aliphatic, simple aliphatic alcohol. These are very important compounds. IUPAC name we have discussed. Now the cyclic compound, let us discuss about the cyclic alcohols. Suppose your compound is, this is your compound, then what you will write, you need to write that first of all we are using for this compound cyclo, then it is a 1 2 3 4 5, no, so it is a 5 carbon membered chain, so this is cyclopentyl alcohol, we generally write cyclopentyl alcohol. Another one is, suppose for the compound, if suppose in the substituted chains which are substituted, for the substituted chains, what are the type, how we are naming this all. Suppose you are having this type of compound, CH3 CH3 1 2 3 and 4, CH3 CH 2 CH2OH. What will be the name of this compound? First of all, this compound will be getting number 1, number 2, 3, 4. As in the third position methyl is there, so it will be 3 methyl. How many number of carbons are there? 1 2 3 4. 4 carbons in the main chain, so it will be butan. And then we will write 1 all, you can write, or simply butanol you can write. Okay, another thing is what, suppose if you are having this compound, suppose for the dihydric, trihydric, that means the polyhydric or dihydric alcohols we are now discussing, dihydric or trihydric alcohol, what will be the naming? See, example of the dihydric already I have shown you, CH2 CH2OH, common name is what? Common name already I said you, what are those? No, means what was this? Common name is glycol, this is glycol. And what is the IUPAC name? 1 and 2, so it will be how many number of carbons? 2 carbon, so eth. After that AN, but we will write E here. Why I am telling you? Ethane, after that 1, 2, then dash again, then diol. Don't give any gap. Okay, diol, after gap giving dash, diol directly. Total, the full name is ethane 1,2-diol. Now why we are giving this E here? Because after see here this this thing is what? Diol. It is not started with any vowel, it is D, that's why we are not omitting E. Is it clear? Next one is what? Trihydric alcohol example. Trihydric alcohol, one of the example is what? One example already I gave you, CH2 CH CH2, all are having one alcohol.